Welcome to my channel. I'm Sapna. Today I am in one of my favorite places, and that is Jaipur. If you guys have been watching my YouTube channel, you would know that Jaipur is the place where my parents are currently staying, and I have come over the weekend to visit them. I'm here only for 2 days, not much, but today I'm actually doing a vlog video. I have done a couple of haul videos from my Jaipur shopping haul, and you guys have loved it. You guys have asked me about the places, about the specific shops where I shop from, and in my last haul video I do remember I did mention the shop numbers as well. But today I will be taking you through the entire market, Bapu Bazaar and Johari Bazaar for today, and if I get a chance to go to some other places, I will take you to those places as well through this vlog video. And the purpose of doing this vlog video is to actually give you guys a complete feel and sort of an experience which you can see through your eyes, through the camera with me, and get to know how this market is, how the vibe is, and the places where you can shop from, what all you get. And also, you know, these markets are flooded with stuff, but then you get a lot of different quality of stuff. Some stuff is really good quality, but at the same time you can also find substandard quality of stuff which looks similar but is not of the same quality. So you have to be very careful, and also there's a lot of difference in the prices, so you have to be aware of which shopkeeper is more genuine and which ones are not. So let me see you guys in Bapu Bazaar. See ya, bye. We are entering the Bapu Bazaar. Now this huge giant gate is the main entry of Bapu Bazaar, and this is pretty much how the entire market looks like. काफ़ी congested है, काफ़ी traffic रहता है, भीड़ रहती है, but all the shops are made on the same lines. It's all like pink in color. That's why Jaipur is called Pink City. You will see a lot of pink buildings in Jaipur. ये है साहू की चाय. यहाँ तो ज़रूर आना है guys. His tea is really famous. A lot of celebrities actually swear by it. साहू की चाय ये तो ज़रूर पीनी है भाई जब भी जयपुर आए. This is the Hawa Mahal road. So when you keep moving ahead in Bapu Bazaar, you will reach Hawa Mahal, which is like 1.5 kilometers sort of a distance. So Hawa Mahal road has amazing shops. You will get some really great stuff with good quality, and the prices are also better as compared to the main lanes of Bapu Bazaar or the beginning lanes of Bapu Bazaar. So I would suggest you guys, if you really want a good deal, good prices, then you should keep moving ahead inside Bapu Bazaar. Don't just stop in the initial lanes, because there the prices are not that maybe negotiable, or they just charge you a high price because they are located at the entrance. So make sure that you do hit the Hawa Mahal road and check these shops out. This is a beautiful shop which has amazing lamps, Turkish lamps, Moroccan lamps, and you know what not sort of lamps. So this is actually shop number 49 and 50. Then this is my favorite shop where I do a lot of my shopping from. Last time also I did get a lot of stuff, all those beautiful colorful clutches from this shop. So again this time I did do a lot of shopping from this shop. You guys can see the amount of stuff that he has. I think this is shop number 45-46. I did show in the initial clipping. So yeah, these are the various clutches which I picked up this time, and there is a surprise for you guys, so make sure that you watch my upcoming haul video, and for that you have to subscribe to my channel guys. Don't miss on to my next video, which is going to be the Jaipur haul video, and I am going to be sharing that big surprise with you guys. So this is the huge variety of a lot of different clutches that he has, and there were a lot of new stuff which he showed me this time. I completely gave my heart to this clutch, and I think the other one. So yeah, a trial for you guys. I really like these antique clutches, and then I loved this huge bag, but I found it very pricey. He was quoting 6,000 for this bag, although it's not even a leather bag. Had it been a leather bag, 6,000 would have made sense. This is how Hawa Mahal looks during evening. It looks beautiful. Then as we move back towards Bapu Bazaar, again on the same road, you will get to see a lot of jewelry shops. This is basically Johari Bazaar, which is just an extension of Bapu Bazaar, and this is one of my favorite shops where I do my artificial jewelry shopping from. This is shop number 18, and this guy also has amazing artificial jewelry with good prices, negotiable prices. The quality is also good. Somani, shop number 18. Please come to this shop whenever you come to Jaipur. You will find really amazing artificial jewelry in this shop. They don't have silver or real jewelry. They have all artificial jewelry, but you will get all latest designs, styles, beautiful neck pieces, as you guys can see. And of course, guys, the prices are negotiable. You have to bargain a lot when you go to Bapu Bazaar and Johari Bazaar, as I've mentioned. So yeah, I have been choosing certain pieces. हसली कहते हैं ना इसको. This is a हसली style of necklace, but with threads, so it becomes a little more convenient to wear around the neck, and I absolutely loved the design. And then they have another style which is also a husly look. It has this thread woven around these pieces of metal. It's not silver, it's artificial, but it looks so stunning. It is amazing. I loved it. Now moving on to this another very favorite shop of mine. This is where I buy my juttis and Kolhapuri chappals from. I have shown you guys in my last haul videos. So this is shop number 11. It's called Shivam Nagra Palace, and this is just very close to the jewelry shop that I showed you. Really amazing collection. He has the latest collection of gurgabis and chappals, but the thing is that he also keeps different quality. He'll have not so great quality stuff, and he'll have really good quality stuff. So you have to tell him specifically what kind of quality you are looking for, because the prices will be according to the quality, and of course the prices are negotiable. And now let me show you some juttis that I tried for myself. Guys, now I will take you to another very interesting place in Jaipur, which is called the World Trade Park. This is the outer view of this mall. It's a huge mall, and I think this is one of the most beautiful mall in India. It's called World Trade Park. So we have entered the mall. This was on day 1, and this was during evening time. I will also be showing you guys this mall during the daytime. So this is basically one of the parts of the mall, and with beautiful ceiling. So they have just started the Dubai Bazaar in this mall. I think they started last year. Though it's called Dubai Bazaar, but you will not get all stuff which is from Dubai. You basically get local stuff, Chinese stuff, local Jaipuri stuff, but it's made quite beautifully, and it's a good idea to spend your day since it's indoor, and it is air conditioned, and you can also just be inside the mall and do all your shopping. So just showing you guys some snippets of what the bazaar looks like. This is my favorite eating place, Kebabs and Curry Company, inside the food court of the mall. My mom saying hi. Hi mom. So you have a huge food court in this mall, and you can just choose your favorite food from the various food joints that this mall has, and it is made as per Victorian architecture with a little bit of European architecture. As you guys can see, this is basically the food court area. It's beautiful. So this mall hosts or boasts of a lot of high-end brands. I could just cover a few, but it has a lot of high-end brands. Then this mall has a very beautiful Jaipuri market. This is the Jaipuri market inside the mall. It's called Fantasy World, and you can get a lot of amazing jewelry, clothes, shoes, decoratives, a lot of interesting stuff inside this mall. So the good thing about this mall is that you can shop high-end brands, you can shop local Jaipuri stuff, you can shop from the Dubai Bazaar. So it has a lot of options to offer. So these are all the decoratives, and this is basically the entire fantasy world inside the mall. It's just beautiful, guys. Now this is another mall. It's called GT Place, GT Bazaar, Gaurav Tower Bazaar. This is also a mall which has some high-end brands and a lot of eating places outdoors. So coming here in the evening and having, chaat, papdi, and all that kind of South Indian stuff and all these fun things. It's a great idea. It's really enjoyable. And then the best thing about GT Bazaar is that they have this entire huge bazaar which is in the basement. So I'm actually descending the stairs, and that's basically the entry. And as you enter, you can see this huge bazaar. Again, you get local stuff, Jaipuri stuff. You don't get high-end stuff, and you have to be careful about the quality of the stuff. Prices are really negotiable, so bargain hard. This is basically an overview of the GT Bazaar. You can also come and shop from here. And then there's another mall right next to GT Bazaar. It's called Crystal Court, which is also made on the same lines. Both these malls are right behind WTP, the World Trade Park. So you can hop from one mall to the other mall without having to travel long distances. If you guys enjoyed my vlog video, show this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Soon I'll be coming up with more videos. Take care. Bye bye.